This is the absolute best time to shop at Dollar Tree. Once Christmas is all cleared out, all of the new starts to roll in. And by new, I mean a lot of new items. My store currently has Valentine's Day, Easter, spring, new crafting supplies, new home decor, and some mega bonus finds too. And I'm going to show you the best of the best brand new Dollar Tree items you can find at the start of 2023. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon, the Daily DIYer. I want to welcome you here today. If you enjoy Dollar Tree DIYs, hacks, crafting, and home decor on a budget, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell, select all, and you will receive free weekly inspiration. Now let's get into the best Dollar Tree finds in store right now. These black metal candlesticks are my absolute favorite find this year so far. You can see I've even incorporated them into my built-in bookcase behind here. I added some battery-powered candles to them, and you simply can just hit a button and they turn on. And you can see just how beautiful and chic these really are. No need to do anything to them. They are beautiful the way they are. But of course, if you want to, you could even spray paint these so they match your own personal home decor. I do want to mention any of the Dollar Tree products that I featured today that are available on their website. I will link down in the description box below, along with any accessories like the candles I just shared with you from Amazon. I will link in the description box below as well. If you're not sure how to get to the description box, you'll go below this video. There's a show more link. You'll click that and it will expand and all the links will be right there for you. Now my jaw hit the floor when I saw this item. I thought for sure it was a Dollar Tree Plus item. But no, luckily it was a regular $1.25 item, which is absolutely shocking. This is a Sunbeam flexible LED desk lamp. They had two colors. They had black and white, and it is an LED light. It has a little button on the back that you just turn it on. And not to blind you, but there's the light. And it is actually really nice. It has the flexible gooseneck and great for crafting, great for reading, great for next to your bed or on your desk. So these are absolutely great. If you see these, grab one worth the $1.25, which is still shocking to me. Dollar Tree's Greenery could definitely be a hit or miss, but these new vined greenery stems are definitely a hit. Greenery can get pretty pricey depending on where you're shopping, but at Dollar Tree, you're gonna save a bundle. These are gonna give you the same style and high-end look without the high price tag. They had two different styles that I really loved. This one has more of just the leaves on it. This one has like a variated ombre style coloring on it, so you can kind of mix up your decor. Definitely worth picking these up at Dollar Tree. I thought it would be fun to show you a simple way to style these stems. You just grab a vase that you have around the house, and you might have to bend the stems a little bit to get them to fit down in there, and then just let your leaves spill out over the edge. I just love this simple look. Here's another candle item that I found, and pink may not be your color, but that's an easy fix. That's what we do around here. It would be so easy to add some spray paint, some chalk paint, some rub and buff to these to give them a different look. But the reason I love these is because they are multifunctional. So you can put a tea light on the bigger end, you can flip it over and then use it for taper candles. So you get two different looks, which I love, and the beveled glass gives it a really high-end look. I mentioned rub and buff was an option for transforming things like this, and I love to use it to give anything kind of an antique-y look. You just kind of spill a little bit out onto your palette or paper and take a dry paintbrush and paint that onto your surface, even glass like this. Since this is multifunctional and you can use both sides, I did go ahead and add the rub and buff to the outside and to the inside of this. You can let it dry as is, or you can come back in with a dry cloth and kind of buff it out. It does get kind of textured to it, so if you buff it, then it'll give you a smooth texture. And this was after 2 coats of the gold leafing rub and buff, and it has dried, and then you can use it for your decor. This side you can add the tea lights into or votive candles into. You can also stack these together. That makes for a really beautiful, trendy look as well. So you just kind of take one and then stack the other one right on top. Again, adding a tea light or a votive candle to the top of this. I think it looks really pretty by itself too without the candle in it, almost like its own decorative tabletop sculpture. You can also add the taper candles to them for a really pretty look as well. I always hit Dollar Tree for their picture frame section before I go to any other store because you're really not gonna find a better bargain, and Dollar Tree has some really great options and styles too. In my most recent trip, I found this beautiful picture frame. It has sort of a faux mosaic opal seashell style to the edges, and we have a coastal theme in our bedroom, so I knew that this would be a great addition to our space. Now I know if you go anywhere else, you're gonna pay upwards of $10, $15 or more for a frame like this, but you're gonna get a much better bargain if you head to Dollar Tree. Now this may not be high-end as far as decor goes, but this is a high-end item that would be awesome to add to your kitchen, and I love a good kitchen gadget. This was another item I was shocked to see. It just seemed like a very fancy item to be in Dollar Tree to begin with, and at $1.25 I knew I was getting a great bargain. This is a 2-in-1 egg slicer, and why is it 2-in-1? Well, because it not only will slice your eggs, but it will also do wedges. And as it shows off to the side there, you can even cut up your avocados too. Now let's go test this out. Now that we have our fun gadget, I thought I would throw in here my favorite hard-boiled egg recipe that has changed my life using the pressure cooker. Wanted to pass it along to you too. You want to add 1.5 cups of water to the bottom of your pressure cooker along with your tray, and then you can fill it up with as many as a dozen eggs. You'll let your pressure cooker go for about 5 minutes, let it self-pressure release for 5 minutes, and then give your eggs a 5-minute ice bath. So the 5-5-5 method, and then they're ready to go, and you can start using your new egg cutting gadget. This is the side that will slice them. It does such a good job, and look how pretty that is. And then this is the side that will create the wedges for you. Just put the little wire gadget on top, spin it around until you hit those opening marks, press it the rest of the way down, and you have some beautiful wedges. Now this makes it really easy to add to salads or making your own egg salad. And as I said, springtime items are hitting the shelves, including their ever popular planter section. So whether you're a gardener or not, there are lots of things you can do with planters. I have a video full of ideas for you, so if you want to see that, I will link that down in the description box below. This year they have some new ones though. In years past, they've had this style of planter, but in a larger size only. This year they upped their game and they have 3 sizes. These are the smallest size, and what I love too is they come in a set of 3, great deal, and you actually stack them so you get that tiered effect. So I'm excited to craft with these and use these for some other hacks, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those in an upcoming video. They also have these new planters with the hooks on the backs. They had several different colors. I grabbed 3 of the gray ones, but remember, you can always paint these too if you don't like the colors options that they have. I had some ideas of how to use these last year, including putting these over your deck rail and keeping things like ice and drinks in them if you're having a party. It would be great to add bug spray and sunscreen over the edge of a deck over a pool, so you have those handy. So there's lots of ways to use these other than just plants. And I have more ideas on the way, so make sure to subscribe, like I said, so you don't miss those hacks, ideas, and DIYs. I also was shocked to see some brand new cleaning tools. So all 3 of these was over in the cleaning section, obviously, but they also are attachments to their broom handles. So you can use them without a broom handle, but you can attach the extension rod broom handle to the bottom of these if you have high ceilings or high ceiling fans that you need to get to, which makes these really, really handy. So they do have a brand new ceiling fan duster. This one I'm super excited about. It gets up in the corners and gets those cobwebs. And then also these extra long dusting wands, which are great for things you have up high, or if you don't, these are great for little trinkets and dainty items that you don't want to break because you can easily just dust them off and just use the handle or add the broom handle if you need the extension. I love that now Dollar Tree is carrying Mrs. Meyer's. This is what I use in my kitchen and my bathroom, and I love that I can now just head to Dollar Tree on my usual trip, grab this, and it saves me a trip to another store. And can we all just say yay when Dollar Tree puts out brand new crafting items? I'm always trying to see if they have new items to share with you guys. These actually came from their Dollar Tree Plus section, so hopefully you can find them if you have a Dollar Tree Plus. Again, 3 items that I can't believe are inside a Dollar Tree. First up is resin. I just now in the last year really started getting into resin projects and I'm hooked. So keep your eye open for these because at $5, this is a great price point. You won't find it at craft stores or even Amazon for any cheaper than this. Let me show you how easy it is to work with resin. Dollar Tree also carries some other things like colorants and metal flakes that you can use and even silicone molds. Keep your eyes open for those. And you'll also need a popsicle stick, some container that you can mix them in, and then safety always first with resin. You'll need a mask and some gloves. You'll also want to cover up your work surface. I like to use the poster boards or the foam boards from Dollar Tree. What a look this is, but like I said, safety first. Gotta be safe before we start working with this because it does put off a gas and you don't want that in your lungs. So to work with resin, super duper easy. You are going to pour in your resin and your hardener in equal parts, so 1-to-1 ratio. Mix it together and then you'll add whatever you want into your resin. In this case, red. So it has a red color, it's like a powder, and just slowly mix it in until you're happy with the color. Then you can add anything you want in there. I'm adding some metal flakes. There's dried flowers you can add in there, glitter, whatever you want. You can put all kinds of different things in resin, which is why I love it because you can really create some fun things. You'll let it sit overnight and then it's ready to go. You just pop it out of your silicone mold and use it for your crafting, use it for your decor, make gifts out of it. Super fun. Hope you give it a try. Here's another idea. You don't have to add anything to this. You're just going to add equal parts of your resin, mix it up, and then we're going to use it as a faux water in a vase. So this is a votive glass candle holder from Dollar Tree, and then we're going to take some faux flowers here. So this is also some lavender stems from Dollar Tree. I just cut them down shorter and then tuck them into the resin. Again, you'll let this sit overnight, and then you have a beautiful floral piece that now will last and last forever and ever, but you still have that water, faux water kind of look in there. Love this, especially for springtime. If you've never worked with resin before, I hope this gives you the inspiration to give it a try, especially now that you can find it at Dollar Tree. Holy moly, I never in a million years thought I would see a tumbler spinner in Dollar Tree, and now you can find them. They are battery powered, only $5. I've never made the cups, the resin cups, so let me know down in the comments below if you have or not. For $5, I thought it would be worth giving a try, and now that you can get resin at Dollar Tree too, definitely a great bargain and won't break the bank if you do want to give it a try. I paid $50 for my light pad, and at Dollar Tree you can find them now for only $5. That is 90% off what I paid anyway. I know I've seen them even more expensive than that. So this is a great sized one. It is 13 by 9 and it has a USB cord so you can plug it in. It's not battery operated. It's not gonna die on you. You plug it into your extension cord. And what are light pads great for? Well, they're great for tracing, and what I like them for is weeding my vinyl. Sometimes it's hard to see the little lines. When you have the light coming up through, it makes it so much easier to get into all those little details. So another item worth grabbing if you can find these in your Dollar Tree. This was another amazing new craft item at Dollar Tree, a $5 wood burning tool. This is a great price point as the cheapest I could find these was right around $12 at Walmart and on Amazon. So I haven't given this a try as I already have a wood burning tool, so I didn't want to purchase another one. But if you guys have tried this out, let me know how it works down in the comments below. Let me know which item was your favorite and that you'll be keeping an eye out for at your local Dollar Tree. And like I said, I'll also try to link some of them down below if I can find them on their website. Please take a second, hit that thumbs up button. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.